I start with a styrofoam heart that I got from a yard sale. I cut a hole that fits an LED tea light. Craft foam attached with 3D media gel can become metal plates. I use adhesive dots to simulate rivets. Then I cover the heart with black gesso. I put amber-tinted UV resin in these clear tubes. I use a pipette to suck up the resin. And fill my clear tubes with resin and air bubbles. I put a tissue paper eye over the light and frame it with an old rusty part. Then I paint over the black gesso with metallic paint. Here are the clear pipes and connectors that I assembled. I photoshopped and laminated pictures of my kids and glued doll hair to them with E6000. Then I roll up the picture and hair and put them in a mini mason jar. Before I add water to the mason jar, I need to arrange their hair. I add paint to the jar lids and the bases. I Am With You Always is from their favorite song.